Anushi and today I'm back with another video, and today's video is a haul video. So I recently went to the Veromora store. I went to Shoppers Stop and I ordered a few things of Nykaa, which is actually included in a vlog, so you can check that out in the description. So I did go there and I bought a couple of things, and if you guys don't know what hauls are, in a haul video I basically show you whatever I bought from various places so that you can get an idea of what you can get when you go out and you can get inspired. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. But before we get started, I just want to tell you this is not a try-on haul because I don't really have anyone who can help me film a try-on haul right now. But I really want to upload this video, so this is just a normal haul. I will try to do a try-on haul as soon as possible. So I hope you guys still enjoy this video, and without any further ado, let's get started. So now I'll show you everything that I bought. So I went to Shoppers Stop and I went to Veromora and I picked up a few things from both of the stores. The first thing that I bought were two crop tops from Shoppers Stop. Now these look adorable. Just look at the cactus from the pocket, like it's adorable. But these were the last pieces available. They did not have my size. They had a size larger, like 2 size larger. So this does not look like a crop top anymore. It's like a normal t-shirt for me because it's huge on me. The first one is this one. This is white and it has a cactus detailing from the pocket, and I love how cute this is. The second crop top is this. Now this one says Total Mess on the front and it says Nobody Cares at the back. And I love the color. I've been obsessing over this color lately, and both of the tops are for $4.99 each. No discount. The next thing that I got is this grey cape from Shoppers Stop again. Now it's kind of difficult to show you how it looks, but I'm still gonna try. This is how this is how the cape looks, and it's really long. It comes in my ankle and it has 2 slits on the sides from the coming down from the waist. So that's that. And it has 2 pockets at the side as well, so that's great. And this one is an amazing cover up for any spaghettis or any half sleeve tops you want to wear during the winter. And this one was for $14.99. The next thing is this baseball style t-shirt from Veromora. This is how that looks. This is blue and white, as you can already see, and this is very warm and very thick, so I love it. And this one was on discount, and I got this for 40% of $1,999. That's pretty great. The next one I got is this shirt from Veromora. This is how this looks. It's a high-low shirt, and I know this looks huge. I bought this in the size medium, but it still fits really loose on me. They did not have a size small, so I got this. And the person says it's supposed to fit you loose, so I got it. And I love how this looks when I wear it. And I also love the check print on this. And I got this for $17.95. The next thing that I got is again a top from Shoppers Stop. It's this white top with a bell or peplum sleeve. I don't know what you call that. I think it's called peplum. If you know, put that in the comments below. And it has a really cute circle pattern detailing on the centers. I got this. And the last clothing item that I got is a pair of jeans, which is again from Veromora. This is supposed to be a slim fit pair, but this is kind of loose for me from the thighs. But the only reason why I got this is the knee slit that it has on both the sides. I've always wanted a pair of jeans with a knee slit, and hence I got this. I might end up bleaching it and making it light blue, but I love this pair. And this one was for $24.99. So those are all the clothing items that I got. Now I'm gonna move on to the lipsticks that I have. So the first lipstick that I got is by Maybelline, and it's from the Color Show range. So this is a creamy matte lip color, and it's in the shade M304 Mysterious Mocha. This retails for $3.25, and this is the perfect pinkish nude color for me. And the next lip color is by Color Essence, and it's from the Premia range. Now this one is in the shade Spring Wine, and it's a really nice deep wine maroonish color, and this retails for 250 rupees. Now the next lipstick is by Lakme, and it is a Lakme Enriched Matte Lipstick. It's in the shade BM10, which is a very nice sandy nude brown color, and this retails for around 250 to 260 rupees. Now the next lip color is by Victoria's Secret, the Velvet Matte Lip Cream. It's in the shade Desire. I don't really know the price because it's a gift, but I'll try to find out. That was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already. Also, before I end with the video, I want to thank all of you guys for taking out the time to watch my videos and subscribe to my channel. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel already and you happen to like any of my videos, then go ahead and subscribe right now. It's free. And if you guys haven't clicked the notification button, which is basically like a bell icon beside the subscription button, then go ahead and click it right now, because that will just notify you whenever I post. That's all I had to say, and I hope to see you guys in my next video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!